Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you today one of my most recent favorite finds on Amazon for my crochet tools. It's this crochet hook set, and I thought I'd give it a buy. I wanted to just really only get one more crochet hook, but at the store it was like $9 for one. And this entire set, go ahead and click the link in the description below to see what it is if you're in Canada or if you're ordering from the US site. I've included both links, but this entire set was cheaper than buying two individual hooks, so I thought, why not? Anyway, let's go and have a look. So I'm not completely sure what this thing is for, but I guess we'll find out going through everything here. So these are some stitch markers. It's more than enough for any project you're working on. I can't imagine you'd use more than that on one project, so that's more than enough stitch markers. Oh, I think I found what the plug is for. Yes, looks like it's okay, cool. So the set includes this little tube with a plug and a bunch of yarn needles, all different sizes. There's large ones, small ones, like a bunch of different sizes, so that's really great as well. Again, can't imagine that you'd need more than those. Okay, so go ahead, set that aside. And a measuring tape. If you know me, you know that this is a must-have for my patterns. I always include a lot of reference to my size charts. And here's all the hooks. These are my favorite kinds of crochet hooks. I really love the ergonomic grip on it. It's soft, it's easy on my hand. For a long time, I was using just these aluminum hooks, which I do like them, but my hand starts to hurt after not too long. And whenever I use these kind of hooks, my hand does not hurt. So it definitely is a must-have, worth the buy. So go ahead and click the link in the description below and have a look. Again, I've included Canada link and US.